Crypto.com just hit a slight hurdle in the South Korean market, which they were highly anticipated to enter around the end of April. They are officially postponing that launch into this new market. What does that mean for Crypto.com? What does that mean for CRO Coin? Today, I also want to explore with you guys a new pre-sale going on the Kronos Chain, which is being propped up by VVS and tying in the exciting meme token, the #1 community voted meme token on Kronos, Crow with Knife. A couple updates for you guys today, a couple stories to go through. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, guys. And let's just go ahead and get right into this one. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. And today, let's look how the crypto markets are doing right now. So we do see that Bitcoin is strong at $66,000 and change, which is a beautiful thing to see. But the news for the day is that Crypto.com is postponing its South Korean launch following a reported visit from the local regulators of South Korea. A couple bullet points here. The launch was initially scheduled for April 29th. Crypto.com says that it is still committed to working with the local regulators to join the South Korean market, which is a difficult market for international exchanges to enter. Now, the concern here is that they're not able to protect against money laundering from their users, not the company themselves doing money laundering, but the users being able to conduct money laundering operations through their platform. And so quotes from them would be like this: "We will postpone our launch and take this opportunity to make sure South Korean regulators understand our thorough policies, procedures, systems, and controls." A Crypto.com spokesperson told The Block, "Korea is a difficult market for international exchanges to enter, but we are committed to working with regulators to advance the industry responsibly for Koreans." So while this is a hurdle, please remember, guys, Crypto.com is one of the most regulatory compliant exchanges out there, and they're not going to give up on this. Now, it is a postponing for a new market and this institutional exchange launch that was set for the 29th of this month. But bull market is still happening. That is what we've expected for the last 2 years since we've been doing the 3,200 videos that we've created for you guys on this channel. We still believe in Crypto.com, and this is something that any exchange would be dealing with as they're trying to enter a new market. They always want to make sure, and by they I mean South Korea and any new country or market that a crypto exchange is entering, they want to make sure that there are consumer protections in place, which is understandable. Many people thought maybe this would be behind them already, but at this point, there's been some fear. The good thing is that Crypto.com is addressing this directly and not giving up on this. So a couple things to look forward to still is eventually when they do launch in this market, certainly something to keep an eye on. And also note, guys, that the Kronos Chain is a big part of the CRO token strategy as well. When you look at the overall market and you look where the CRO Coin is currently sitting, it's at rank number 31. It's a $3.4 billion market cap, guys. And it's rebranded to the Kronos Chain because in the peak of last bull market, they launched an L1 solution, guys. And if you look at the total top blockchains by TVL, Kronos is ranked number 13. And a matter of fact, if you look, you can see some of the, this is very interesting. You can see some of the top gaining tokens actually within any ecosystem. And so you can click into these individually. Now, if you look at the Kronos ecosystem and look at what the tokens are within this ecosystem, if you're interested in the Kronos Chain, I highly recommend you do this. You can go to see all Kronos coins, and you'll see what are the top tokens in this market. And you can look by market cap to try to pick some of the coins that you like within this ecosystem if you are bullish on Kronos like we are here on this channel. But a shout out to Crow with Knife, which is at the largest gaining momentum category here, according to CoinGecko. It is the #1 trending meme token in the Dex Screener app as well in the Kronos ecosystem. And it is making waves. And now there's another update coming with this token that just was launched today. Huge thank you for a new vote that came out from the VVS team. Now, VVS is launching a new presale. You can participate in this presale by using Crow with Knife tokens now, and they're even tagging the Crow with Knife team. This is a big deal, guys. And so here are the rules of this. There's a new presale coming for this DIP token. You can contribute Crow or you can contribute CRA token, excuse me. There's a couple rules. The cap is going to be 10% of the total cost supply, which is roughly about $1 million. And so the plan is if people contribute 10%, let's say 10% of the cost supply, that's about $1 million worth of value because the market cap's at about $11 million right now. And so 10% of the total supply is a sizable amount of money, and the VVS team themselves have committed themselves to contributing. They're going to match, VVS would match the CAW committed to the dip presale with the equivalent of CRO, and then they would lock that up into a liquidity pool owned by VVS themselves for 1 year. And a lot of people are looking at this as essentially an over-the-counter buy of VVS Finance and Crypto.com into this meme token for the very first time, essentially establishing some kind of legitimacy for this token by incorporating it into one of their new presales, which is being propped up by VVS Finance themselves. And this could be a step in the right direction for this token getting listed on the Crypto.com main app. At the time of this recording, the Crow with Knife token is almost at 7015, which is good, on its way up, trying to continue to make progress. It has been heading slowly up and to the right. This is certainly bringing some excitement to the table, and I am very curious to see how this thing plays out, guys. When you look at what's going on in the crypto space, you will see that DeFi is increasing in value as we go on. We had a little bit of a dip with the broader market for the total value locked up in DeFi overall, but the facts are this, guys. As overall market continues to climb, CRO Coin, even with this little regulatory hiccup in the South Korean market, is expected to break its previous all-time high, along with other major cryptocurrencies as well. When a parabolic bull market begins, right now, CRO versus BTC is hanging on at a very consistent level. We had a little bit of a breakout, a little bit of a pause, and the reason for this, guys, is because the overall market needs to decide that it wants to break its previous all-time high. You can look at the total market cap. We need to get above $3 trillion. When Bitcoin breaks above its previous highs, which we want to see, we've already made a new high at $73,000. We would like to see Bitcoin break through that high, the overall market cap break through that high as well. That would be the catalyst to send CRO Coin higher. That would also be the catalyst for more pumpability on any of the tokens that you might like within the Kronos ecosystem, whether it's Fulcrum, whether it's VVS, whether it's Tonic, whether it's Crow with Knife, or any of the other meme tokens in the Kronos ecosystem. It is all reflected on Bitcoin. This story, as scary as it may seem for Crypto.com with this South Korean market hurdle, I don't think it's that big of a deal, guys. In fact, it's a good thing to see them doing the due diligence on the front end. And once this gets approved, it is once again going to be a massive sign for future success for this exchange, which I do personally believe. That's why I am a holder of CRO Coins, and I hold some tokens within the Kronos ecosystem, because I believe in this community. I believe in Crypto.com. I believe in the regulatory footing that this exchange has taken through the bear market leading into this bull market. This is going to be the first bull market where the Kronos Chain is live and active, and let's see how competitive it can be versus some of the other big chains out there like Solana, like Ethereum, and other EVM compatible chains like Kronos is. Guys, that's all I got for you today. A quick update on the Kronos coin, on the Kronos ecosystem, and Crow with Knife, of course, because I know a lot of people are watching that one right now. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. See you next time.